We work with a lot of ground floor opportunities where we work at the development phase, which is actually the best time to make contact with the customer and work through that process to make sure that we do everything we can to get their product to market. Hello, my name is Glenn Farrell. I'm with Butler Technologies. We are a custom manufacturer of user interface products such as graphic overlays, labels, membrane switches, and any type of flexible electronic devices. This is actually for a treadmill project. It's a capacitive touch switch. It's the first on its market of using capacitive touch in the treadmill industry. Capacitive touch would be something like your iPod, where you're actually completing a circuit by just touching it with your fingers. This is another product. These are dials and gauges. This would be a New Holland tractor type interface. We do a bunch of products for the marine, the RV, the off-road industry. We just manufacture this printed overlay right here, this printed and formed overlay. This is actually an example of capacitive also. This would be our customer that's in the lighting industry. They handle the capacitive from board level, but we provide the overlays once again in a UV inkjet digital format. These would be all examples of membrane switches, all manufactured in Butler, Pennsylvania, which is an hour north of Pittsburgh. We do various types of membranes, either tactile, non-tactile. This would be an example of a membrane switch with a tactile feel, which means there is a feedback from the domes. This would be an example of a non-tactile switch, which is actually just two circuits. When you press, they go together to complete the circuit. We have the engineers actually do design, or we will do their design. I mean, mostly we get a print from them, and then we develop the process so that we can determine how many layers and what layers we need to do to complete the switch. We also do digital printing. This is an example of some of the digitally printed products. The beauty of the digital process is you can do full color graphics as well as gradations and serialization, barcoding, privatization, all types of custom applications for that. We laser cut most of our products, which gives us, reduces tooling costs, as well as gives us the flexibility to do tight tolerance type applications. And then, there's no additional cost once you have the files. UV inkjet also is great for prototyping. We do one-offs, which historically was very difficult in our industry. It was cost prohibitive to do one-offs, but with this process, we now have that capability to do one-off. We would look forward to any inquiries, and please send us your information either to myself, Glenn Farrell, or Marilyn Succi, who's here with me, who handles all the new product development for us.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.